Hello, I'm Nadia. This is my new pencil case. Let's look inside.
In my pencil case, School Things, Part 2.
This is a glue stick.
A glue stick. A glue stick.
This is a correction tape.
A correction tape. A correction tape.
These are felt tip pens.
Felt tip pens. Felt tip pens.
These are crayons.
Crayons. Crayons.
This is a stapler.
A stapler. A stapler.
This is a hole punch.
A hole punch. A hole punch.
Oh no! Don't play with the hole punch.